Nice day, Unibankers! In this video, we will talk about documentation of retail loans for housing and auto loan. Loan documentation and booking is the last stage of the retail loan life cycle. It is being handled by our sales support unit. They are in charge of reviewing the submitted documents before handing over the account to our LSR partners to facilitate the loan booking. Under auto loan, there are 8 basic documents being checked as evidence of the existence of the loan. These are Vehicle Sales Invoice or VSI, Vehicle Delivery Receipt or VDR, LTO Form with Stencils, Promissory Note with Security Agreement or PNSA, Deed of Assignment or DOA, Valid IDs, FAS, Customer Personal Information Sheet or CPIS. Vehicle Sales Invoice is a dealer document showing proof of sale between seller or dealer and the buyer, while Vehicle Delivery Receipt evidences the receipt of unit covered in sales invoice in good condition. LTO form is also called Motor Vehicle Inspection Report form. This form contains the actual stencils of the motor vehicle's engine and chassis number. This is also a requirement from the LTO to encumber CR in favor of the bank. Promissory Note with Security Agreement is a bank form signed by the client that serves as binding agreement between the client and the bank pertaining to the availed loan. This document also contains loan details and charges collected from the client. For dealer-generated accounts, the dealer submits Deed of Assignment, a document showing proof of assigned receivable to the bank. Next thing we check is the valid ID of the borrower. ID is a proof of borrower's identity. Our SSU and LSR partners check the details of the ID and ensure that the signature matches with the other documents submitted. Customer Personal Information Sheet, also known as CPIS, contains the personal details of the borrower, the vehicle, and the loan details. Now that we know the basic document requirements for auto loan booking, let's proceed with the housing loan documentation and booking. Under housing loan, there are 9 basic document requirements in order to facilitate the loan release and booking. These are Implementing Memo, Valid IDs, Uniform Loan and Mortgage Agreement or ULAMA, Group Financial Security Plan or GFSP, Application Form, Fire Insurance Policy, Transfer or Condominium Certificate of Title, Appraisal Report, and Real Property Tax Document. Let's take an overview of each document. Implementing Memo includes the account details, charges collected from clients, and mode of release instruction. Valid IDs as proof of borrower's identity. Uniform Loan and Mortgage Agreement is a new form that replaces the Mortgage Loan Agreement or the MLA. This combines the Promissory Note, General Loan Agreement, and Mortgage Agreement. Group Financial Security Plan or GFSP is a term insurance coverage wherein you have to put the bank as your beneficiary. Application form is mandatory requirement for home loan application. It contains the personal information of borrowers and co-borrowers, loan request, loan purpose, property use, and financial information. Fire insurance policy is the provision against losses caused by fire, lightning, and the removal of property from premises endangered by fire. TCT or CCT is an intangible contract representing a bundle of rights in a piece of property in which a party may own either a legal interest or equitable interest. Appraisal report is a written statement by an appraiser concerning the estimated value of a property. This report can also be prepared for the estimated cost to repair property, such as following storm damage to a building. Real Property Tax Document is also called RPT. This is an annual tax that all property owners need to pay. Once SSU is done with documentation and review, they will now encode the account to auto loan or housing integrated database. After encoding, it will now be transmitted to our LSR partners to process and facilitate the loan booking. And that wraps up the topic regarding documentation of retail loans. See you next session. Bye!